We all love our bikes, and they're pretty expensive toys, but the problem, they can easily get stolen. There are many ways to protect the bike from that. I've seen people tying with a chain, I've seen people adding an alarm system, but still all these will be useless in case the bike got lifted. For me, the best method is adding a GPS tracking device, which we're gonna see today how we will install and do the setup for a GPS tracking device I bought online, and we're gonna install it on this KTM DUKE 390 2018. So stay tuned and see you in a bit. Bye.
Hello everybody, my name is Amar Ligato, and in today's episode we're gonna see how we're gonna install the GPS tracking system on any vehicle, whether it was a motorcycle or a car or a truck. So I ordered this device from Banggood.com. I'll leave the link in the description below, and I got it in a week, and I think it costed around 35 to 45 bucks. So I got this package, which it has inside the device, which is a waterproof device, and 3 wires, which are orange, red and black. I'll tell you what are these later. And it has also a serial number here, which you'll be able to track it if you install that. I mean, if you write this number on the app on the phone. Also, it has a Velcro sticker, so you can fix it wherever you want. And also it has a user manual and a warranty card. So this is the user manual, which is like 6 to 8 pages. And this is also the warranty card, like quality control passing. This is a waterproof sealed packaging, okay, that box, and it's made of the ABS plastic, and it can support a SIM card, okay, with GSM and GPRS signals, and the band it takes 850, 900, 1800 and 1900 megahertz. The GPS sensitivity on this device is minus 162 decibel, and the accuracy is up to 5 meters in 2D radius. The input voltage for this device is from 9 to 100 volt DC, means it can be fixed on any vehicle. For example, the boats or trucks has 24 volt, while the cars and bikes has 12 volt. So you don't need any adapter, you can just plug and play directly and fix it without any external adapters. The power consumption for this device is 0.36 watt, which is very less, and the weight also is very less, which is 75 gram, and it has a small built-in battery I'll show you later. It's 3.7 volt changeable and chargeable battery, which is a lithium ion, and it's kind of small, which is 350, but it will work okay for, like, you know, backup. So let's open the device and see what's inside. So we're gonna open these 2 screws here. Careful, don't lose these nuts.
Got him! Got him!
So now we open the 2 screws and the nuts fell down. You can pull it out. As you can see, we opened it. There's a rubber sealing here, and here you can install the SIM card. I will take out these screws so they don't annoy me. Here you're gonna place the SIM card. Okay, and if you want to have an internal look on what's inside, I will pull it out and show you what's inside. You can pull it out and see the device. This is just empty casing, and be careful with all these components because they're very fragile and sensitive. So this is a GPS antenna, this is the battery, and here we're gonna install the SIM card. And there is also 2 small LEDs here, one for the GSM signal and one for the GPS signal. Let's put it back and put the SIM card in. I'll keep this here, and I already got a SIM card which is pre-activated, and I recharge it for 1 year, so I don't need to lose my connection on the bike. And we're gonna keep it the same size. I don't want to break it to the smaller pieces. So we're gonna install it, as you can see here. We're gonna put it like this and install it here. Yeah, now the SIM card is locked, and if you're able to see that there's 2 like LEDs blinking together. So the orange one is for the GSM and the blue one is for the GPS. So when they're blinking, it means they are searching for the signal. Let's close this rubber seal, then we're going to close the cap I'll put the back
These
nuts.
nuts.
So now this device is fully working, okay, and I'm sure the LEDs inside are still blinking. Maybe they also found the signal and they're connected now. So I'll go on the bike and I'll fix these wires, which are 3. So the black one is the ground or the negative, and the red one is the positive one, and this orange one is for the ACC. Like when you turn on your bike, it will detect that your bike is running, and it will be also calculating your speed in case you want to track the speed of the bike or the car or the vehicle, if you want to monitor someone how fast they're driving. So on the mobile phone, we can install an app which is called Untitled GPS. I've already installed my details here. Okay, then I'm gonna log in. I'll just click login on that device and I'll see the information. Now it's logging in. I have already set up my device, so you can see here KTM DUKE 390 offline ACC off disassembled. Means it's not yet fixed, but it can track my position. I've already done the setup for this device, okay, so that's why it's being tracked. But you should do some like setup in the beginning, like to set up the GPS settings. We'll go back to the user manual. So you'll find it here that you have to set up some APN numbers, admin number, time and zone, wherever, like whatever you want to send of these to activate. So in the beginning, I sent a message to my device, okay, from this phone, my phone, I sent to the other SIM card, which is here, and it will send me back a message. So I have taken the device to the outside, and as you can see, both of the LEDs, the blue and the orange one, are on, means they got the signal. So the GPRS is connected, or the SIM card is connected, which is on GSM, and it's also supplying the GPRS, which is the internet, and also the blue one, which is the GPS, is also connected, means it's now fully functional. So now we're gonna go to the phone and do the setup for the device. So after you got both of your lights on, the LEDs which were on the GPS device, the blue and the orange one, now you can go to the setup and do the setup of the device through the SMS. So we're gonna go to the SMS and open new message and write in your phone number, the same one that in the device. Then you're gonna send the commands to it, which is, the first one is admin one, two, three, four, five, 6. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in the second line, you're gonna put your phone number, let's say whatever, okay. Then you're gonna send it. Then it's gonna reply to you, admin OK. That's to set your number as the commanding device. After that, you have to set up the GPRS point or the APN. Whatever your connection is, you're gonna find it online. Just search for your network provider and write APN. They're gonna tell you what are the settings for it. So for example, my APN of my SIM card, which is the Airtel in India, it's called airtelgprs.com. So what I will write to set up the, as you can see, say like access point, and if you remember in the GPRS devices like 6 or 7 years back, we used to set up the APN. So I will write APN 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and next line I will write Airtel. You can make it small. GPRS .com, and we're gonna send it. Okay, but now I didn't put the phone number, so it cannot be sent. So you will send it, then again it will reply to you that APN is okay, or APN okay. After that, the setting will be fully functional, everything will be working. Whenever you want to track your device, you will just write 1, 2, 3 and send to it, and it will send you back a link here. It's showing you the details. If you click on it, it will take you to Google Maps and it will open the location of the car or the whatever vehicle you have. Also, if you have seen some malfunctioning or some issues you're facing, you can just send C which are both caps, CQ, and send it, and it will restart the device as if like normal restart, so that it will work again. Then after that, you're gonna scan. Okay, there's an app from the same company which is called ICA GPS. If you'll open it and you'll enter the serial number of your device and the password, then log in, it will tell you exactly where's the device, and you will have more option to watch or monitor. So for example, I want real-time tracking, and it will tell me where's the device now. As you can see, it's telling me everything. KTM, this is, I have written KTM Duke because I have named the SIM card, and it's telling you stationary, ACC off, dismiss, power cut, means it's not charging or it's turned off, and also the device is switched off or it's not getting power. But it can track the location because it still has some battery left in. And the details, the last login, everything, all details are here. So that's all what you need to know. You can explore and see all the rest of things, like these options, like the historical route, like to see where you were or where that bike was, and geofence, like you will put a geofence on the Google Maps, and whenever the bike or the vehicle crosses it, it will give you a notification here, and a lot of other things here you can see it, like mileage, parking, alarm setting, etc. And that's it. So let's go down to the bike to see how we're gonna fix it. So here we have the KTM 390 2018, where we're gonna fix the GPS on. As you know, the GPS, oh my god, Simba. So the KTM 390, under the seat there's a place that you can plug in any extra accessories. It will have a power, whether you want it with the key, like when you turn on the key, or you want it permanently on. We'll open this and see. So here, these are the 3 wires for the GPS system, and this socket I have made, which is a custom made, so I can connect it to that socket which comes originally with the KTM. And here I'm gonna take one line from this and this and this, which they are, sorry, the black one is the negative, and I'll take one like continuous 12 volt positive, and we're gonna take one more from the yellow, which is ACC on, means when you switch on the bike, this one will has power only, so I will know if the bike is on or not. Let's connect it again, and we're gonna see. Already this is connected to the alarm system.